In this tutorial, I will show you how you can easily set up your workspace yourself. This is important so that your users can work smoothly in awork later on. Our step-by-step instructions will guide you through each setting area. First, I create a new project. I call my project Workspace Setup. If you have colleagues who are working with you on setting up your workspace, you can simply assign them as project members here. Click on Next to open our template library. Here you select the awork Workspace Setup template. This is the step-by-step guide just mentioned. On the Details page, you can see how the setup project works. Now click on the Tasks tab and work your way step by step through all the tasks listed here to set up your workspace. For each task, you will find helpful tips and content directly on the spot. If you do not need a task, for example because you do not want to use the respective feature, you can simply mark it with a red status. Check off completed tasks by using the green status. And that's it. If you have any further questions, please contact our support team directly from your workspace. I wish you lots of success with awork.